morning third class children, very good morning. So in the last class I gave you Matilda lesson classwork. So learn well that Matilda lesson because tomorrow Saturday you have online exam. So learn that Matilda lesson very well. Okay. So in this class I want to tell you the textbook exercise of lesson 3. Okay. Here in this lesson, in the textual grammar, using the clues below, complete the book words. So, some book. So, starting the word is book. They have given this exercise and I will post this exercise in your group. So, once you, after seeing this video, you watch that photo, okay, then you will be thorough with that, okay. One clue they have given and we have to write the answer like riddles, podupu kadallaga anamata, okay na. A piece of furniture with shelves to hold books. A piece of furniture with shelves to hold books. Books పెట్టుకోవడానికి షెల్ఫ్స్ లాగా ఉంటుంది, అది ఫర్నిచర్. అది ఏంటి బుక్ షెల్ఫ్, బుక్ షెల్ఫ్, SHELF, బుక్ షెల్ఫ్. ఓకే. A piece of thick paper that we put between the pages of a book to help us go to that page again quickly. So when you see the diaries, like your father will have one diary, suppose one red color or orange color thread it will be there. So where you finish that, there you can put that thread or rope, small thin rope will be there. So you can keep it there up to that mark we have completed, that page was completed like that. So that we call it as bookmark. What we call it as? Bookmark. Next, a person who reads a lot. A person who reads a lot. Books ఎక్కువగా చదివే వాళ్ళని ఏమంటారు? The person who reads book a lot. Bookworm. పుస్తకం పురుగు అని అంటుంటారు. ఏంటి అస్తమాను వాళ్ళు పుస్తకాలు చదువుతూ ఉంటారు అలాగా. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, ఏ బుక్ ఆఫ్ బ్లాంక్ పేజెస్ ఇన్ విచ్ వీ డ్రా డాష్ బుక్. సో బ్లాంక్ పేజెస్ విల్ బి దేర్, ఇన్ దట్ వీ విల్ డ్రా సమ్ పిక్చర్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ బుక్ నేమ్? వెరీ గుడ్, డ్రాయింగ్ బుక్. డ్రాయింగ్, DRAWING. A book used for the study of a subject dash book. So if we want to read the subject, what type of books you will read? Textbook. Textbook. The answer is textbook. A book of recipes dash book. Cooking or recipes book. వంటల పుస్తకాన్ని ఏమంటాం? ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్, ఏ బుక్ ఆఫ్ బ్లాంక్ పేజెస్ ఫర్ స్టిక్కింగ్ కటింగ్స్, డ్రాయింగ్స్ ఆర్ పిక్చర్స్ ఇన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ స్క్రాప్ బుక్. స్క్రాప్ బుక్. ఓకే. సో నోట్ దిస్ ఇన్ యువర్ రబ్ బుక్ and I will post this exercise in your group, in your WhatsApp group. Once you write in your rub book or anywhere, okay, later after having your textbooks you can complete these exercises and later I will post all these answers also in your group. Okay, here next, action word plus ing form. Ing form, continuous tenses we will see. Suppose when we add ing form to the verb, it's called continuous tense. Go plus ing, going. Play plus ing, playing. Run plus ing, running. Sing plus ing, singing, like that. So I will post one worksheet regarding this ing form. Please complete it and send back. Okay, send back to my WhatsApp number. Okay, after the completion. Okay, next. A small poem is there. At sea in the house. What is the small poem name? At sea in the house. I read this poem. You just listen. At sea in the house. So one small boy was there like you. He is imagining the sea in his house. ఓకే, సో ఒక అబ్బాయి, చిన్న అబ్బాయి ఉండేవాడు అనమాట. అబ్బాయి ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు, కూర్చుని సముద్రం అంతా వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఉంటే ఎలా ఉంటుందో అలా ఊహించుకుంటున్నాడు అనమాట. హీ ఈజ్ ఇమాజినింగ్ దట్ ద సీ ఇన్ హిస్ హౌస్. ఓకే, లిజన్. హ్యావ్ యూ ఎవర్ ఇమాజిన్డ్ సర్టెన్ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ హౌస్ టు బి సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్? Let's read the poem. Let's read the poem to see what tables and chairs and a carpet can turn into if we pretend. Okay, so he is imagining that the things in his house, that the things near the sea, samudram దగ్గర ఉండేటువంటి అట్మాస్ఫియర్ని వీడు ఇంట్లో ఊహించుకుంటున్నాడు అనమాట. అంటే సముద్రంలో ఎలా ఉంటుందో మన ఇంట్లో అలా ఉంటే ఎలా ఉంటుంది అని ఊహించుకుంటున్నాడు ఈ అబ్బాయి. ఓకే, లిజన్ వాట్ హీ ఈజ్ ఇమాజినింగ్. when I pretend them to be, pretend means imagining that something here, it is something here, like that, ఊహించుకోవడం అనమాట. when I pretend them to be, the tables and chairs are land. The tables and chairs are land where you can safely stand. Where you can safely stand. Okay, he is on the table now, standing at the corner where you can safely stand, and the carpet between is sea. The dining table makes a boat. So what he is imagining the dining table as? Boat. The dining table makes a boat and I climb on there. So okay, he is climbing on the tables and chairs. He is imagining that the table is a boat and he is climbing on that table. See how imagination is, how danger. The dining table makes a boat and I climb on there. By way of rocking chair and out of the sea we float. Okay, he is imagining that the rocking chair will be there in his house. Rocking chair అంటే ఇట్లా ముందుకి వెనక్కి ఊగుతుంది కదా, అలాంటి చైర్లో వీడు ఏం చేశాడు, కాళ్ళు అటు ఇటు పెట్టి దాన్ని బోట్ లాగా అటు ఇటు ఊగుతున్నాడు అనమాట. సో హీ ఈజ్ ఇమాజినింగ్ దట్ ద రాకింగ్ చైర్ ఈజ్ మూవింగ్ ఫర్ ద వేవ్స్. The pattern in the carpet swims like fish on the floor, and anyone opening the door is sure to get very wet. So he is totally disturbed. His mind is totally disturbed and he is feeling his house as sea. Understood? So the carpet in his house, he is feeling that it is the water and there the design is in the form of fish. So anybody open the door and come inside, they feel wet. అంటే వాళ్ళు లోపలికి వస్తే సముద్రంలోకి వచ్చినట్టు తడిసిపోతారు అని ఊహించుకుంటున్నాడు అనమాట. ఓకే, once I will read this poem, please repeat after me. Just it is an imagination of the poem and is the imagination of the boy who is telling this all. Okay, repeat after me. When I pretend them to be, the tables and chairs are land where you can safely stand, and the carpet between is sea. The dining table makes a boat and I climb on there. By way of the rocking chair and out to sea we float. The pattern in the carpet swims like fish on the floor, and anyone opening the door is sure to get very wet. Clear for you? Okay ma, this poem, I will post this poem in your WhatsApp group so that it will be easy for you to revise the poem once. Okay, once you read this poem also. And here rhyming words you have to frame in this poem. Okay, 6 rhyming words are there. Once I will write, you see. B, C. So same sounding words are called as the rhyming words. Next, second one, there, where, there, where. Just you copy down the heading and write these rhyming words in your rub book. Wet, get, land, stand, land, stand. Next, fifth one, float, boat, float, boat. Sixth one, floor, door. Simple. After listening the poem, you can write these rhyming words easily. Okay. Next. Okay, once I want to revise that Matilda lesson, once again I will give drilling here in this class. Please repeat after me. Okay, meanings, opposites, tenses and question and answers I will tell you now. Okay, and I will post that lesson 3. I gave the video lesson 3 notes. Okay, you copy down the notes from that video. Okay ma. So once I want to revise that lesson 3, all of you note these rhyming words, pause the video and note these rhyming words. Now lesson 3 revision I will give. For tomorrow's exam. All of you, if you repeat after me, it will be easy for you to write tomorrow's exam. Okay? Lesson 3 revision. Here meanings onwards I will tell. Okay, recipes, steps to make food. Steps to make food. Recipes meaning steps to make food. Recipes, steps to make food. 3 times I am repeating. You please repeat after me. Recipes meaning steps to make food. Public library. Tell, public library. A library that is open to everyone. The library that is open to everyone. Cozy, comfortable. Cozy, comfortable. Cozy meaning comfortable. Wandering, roaming. Wandering meaning roaming. Wandering, roaming. Okay, learn spellings well. Next, opposites. Many. Many opposite few. Many opposite few. Once again, many opposite few. F-E-W, few. Lower, opposite higher. H-I-G-H-E-R, higher. Old opposite young. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Back. Back opposite front. F-R-O-N-T, front. Take opposite give. G-I-V-E, give. G-I-V-E, give. Next, understand opposite misunderstand. M-I-S-U-N-D-E-R-S-T-A-N-D, misunderstand. So once again, opposites, many opposite, few. Lower opposite, higher. Old opposite, young. Back opposite, front. Take opposite, give. Understand opposite, misunderstand. Okay. Next, singular plural. Book, books. Library, libraries. Month, months. Child, children. Shelf, shelves. Okay. Next, tenses. No, no. Past tense, new. KNEW, new. Ask, past tense, asked. Ask, past tense, asked. ASKED, asked. Okay. Next, say, said. SAID, said. Take, 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 past tense, took. TOOK, took. Take, past tense, took. Tell, past tense, told. TOLD, told. Okay, once again, no, new. Tell 3 times. No, new. Ask, asked. Ask, asked. Say, said. Say, said. Take, took. Take, took. Tell, told. Okay. Next, who began wanting books? ఎవరు ఇక్కడ బుక్స్ తీసుకోవాలి అనుకున్నారు? Who began wanting books? Yes, Matilda. Who began wanting books? Matilda began wanting books. What could she do before the age of 4? Before the age of 4. So, before going to the library and before she started the reading books, what she used to read? She used to read the newspapers and magazines. Newspapers and magazines. Matilda learned to read by studying newspapers and magazines before the age of 4. Before the age of 4. Next, how did she read the only book in the house? ఒకే ఒక బుక్ ఉండింది మాటిల్డా వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో. That is cooking book. What she did with that book? She read from beginning to ending. Yes sir? Yes or no? Yes. Matilda read the book from beginning to end. Where was Matilda? So where she is going and reading the books? Matilda was in the public library. Matilda was in the public library. ఎక్కడుంది మాటిల్డా? టెంపుల్కి వెళ్ళిందా? సినిమా పార్క్? నో, మాటిల్డా వాజ్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ద పబ్లిక్ లైబ్రరీ. నెక్స్ట్, హూ హెల్ప్డ్ హర్ చూస్ అనదర్ బుక్? ఎవరు హెల్ప్ చేసేవాళ్ళు మాటిల్డాకి లైబ్రరీలో? మిస్సెస్ ఫెల్ప్స్. PHELPS, మిస్సెస్ ఫెల్ప్స్. మిస్సెస్ ఫెల్ప్స్ హెల్ప్డ్ హర్ choose another book. Okay, so only 5 questions I gave you, and I will post these pages in your WhatsApp group so that it will be easy for you to prepare for tomorrow's online exams. Okay, once again I want to revise the poem. Today what we told? I told you the textual exercises and I told you the poem and I gave you that lesson 3 revision. Okay, once all of you repeat the poem after me. Okay, 5 minutes. Repeat after me poem. What poem I told you? What poem I told? I'd see in the house. When I pretend them to be, the tables and chairs are land. When I pretend them to be, tell after me. When I pretend them to be, the tables and chairs are land. Where you can safely stand. Where you can safely stand. And the carpet between is sea. And the carpet between is sea. The dining table makes a boat and I climb on there. The dining table makes a boat and I climb on there by way of the rocking chair and out to sea we float. The pattern in the carpet swims like fish on the floor. The pattern in the carpet, pattern means design. Okay. The pattern in the carpet swims like fish on the floor, and anyone opening the door is sure to get very wet. Is sure to get very wet. Okay. Immediately after anyone enter into the room by opening the door, they may surely wet. It's a small boy's imagination that there is sea in his house. Okay children, and I told today textual exercise, and I will post you that activity. You please see that book. I told no about book, starting letter, starting word is book. So that exercise you please once read that exercise, and I will send you the worksheet regarding verb plus ing form. You please do that and send back to my WhatsApp number and revise this poem, and especially lesson 3 Matilda lesson everyone should read for tomorrow's online exam. Okay ma? Okay, enough for today. Take care. Bye.